Hey y'all, we just wanted to make a short for us being in this historical event. We're here at the Wharf Marina and it's closed down for 2 days as the roads are, as I understand it, are tough. We kept a path off the dock to allow our dogs traction on and off the boat. However, Madeline and I have been wearing PFDs when we were on the docks. Here, I'm going to share a few pictures with you just so you'll see what it was all like. It was tough walking these docks. As you saw, the dogs were making their way, but they made their way. Here Madeline is, she's sweeping the walkway, trying to get up where we can get the dogs out. Yep, you see it, 9 inches. Here's also a picture of a runaway with John and Tammy, and the lower place with Robin and Charlie. See y'all on the water.